Mga daddy, magandang gabi. Nandito kami ngayon sa beach ulit para sa panibagong challenge. Okay. Ang challenge natin ngayon is first catch, biggest catch, most catch, at saka yung last catch. Okay. Time check. Eksakto alas 7 ng gabi. At ang closing ng ating fishing challenge is 9 ng gabi. Ang ating mga kalahok ay si Master Daddy Manny at si Daddy Roland at ang inyong lingkod. Sino kaya ang makakaunang makakahuli? Aha, Daddy Adonis, take charge.
Sabi ko. Yes! Yeah! Yeah!
Pabilisan! Pabilisan! And the winner is Mr. Manny Martin.
Hey! Meron dat?
Yeah. Of course. Okay.
First catch.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Nanalo na si Daddy Manny Martin. He got the first catch of Bakoko only. Yes. But still, the race will continue because still this fish is small. We have to catch this, the biggest fish.
Yeah. There is another challenge.
If you catch too much fish is small and you catch one big fish, and automatically the winner is the big fish. Magot ko rin si Daddy
May
Ernie.
winner na po ng first catch,
Don't worry, Ka
si
Ernie.
Master Daddy Manny.
But you catch big fish, you'll still be the winner.
Daddy.
Welcome.
Maybe he just energized today, not same yesterday. Ano patayin ko na, Dad? Okay, the second catch is at long last Mr. Ernie have catch the second catch of the fish, so he's take the second place, while Mr. Roland is still reeling the fish, still not get. So Mr. Ernie got the second place, is preparing for his second catch now. As you see, he's very serious in this kind of event. He's too much serious. You want to catch a big fish in order to challenge these two guys. Okay, we'll be back.
Now for the biggest and the
Yes. Okay, guys.
biggest and the most catch.
We will be back again, guys. We will update you soon again when the third catch of fish will be catch. Okay, guys? Just stay on and hold on. Just relax. The catch is one also for Mr. Roland. Now he catch the third, 1-all. So the race is very tight. So we cannot stay still. Who is the winner for this race, huh? So still we are still waiting for the catch. Mr. Martin is rolling his bait.
Okay.
You catch? Okay. For the second catch of Mr. Martin, he's reeling the bait. He's reeling the bait. Oh. Yes. It's Alimasag for his second. Alimasag for his second attempt to catch. But anyway, still counted. Alimasag 1 Bakoko. Still counted for the race.
Sa talas ng taga, no?
Okay. For the second catch, First alarm. First alarm. Lapu-lapu.
No.
Oh my goodness, it's a trash in the sea. Trash in the ocean. As what Mr. Manny expect is a lapu-lapu, but it's a trash. What a god. What a trash cook. Yeah, number 3 catch for Roland for tonight. Number 3. Yes, he is now leading as of the moment. I want number 3 catch by Roland and 2 catch by Ernie. So the race is still ongoing. The race is still ongoing. 3 for Roland, 2 for Ernie, 1 for you. No, the other one is alimasag only, not. Is it? Ha? Tatlo?
332.
332. So, the figure. So, 331 only. You only one alimasag. Mapi Alibaba, ha? 331. But if you catch big fish, you will be the winner. So, try your effort. Number 4 catch by Mr. Roland. The score is 4 for Mr. Roland, 3 for Daddy Ernie, and 1 for Mr. Manny. So still they're preparing for the baits for the fish. See, they are busy, guys. They are busy for preparing for the baits because it's biting time again. And time check is 8 o'clock in the evening. So 4-3-1 the score. Okay, see you again, guys, later. We'll make you update again. Bye. Number 7 catch for Mr. Roland, and he's still leading is Mr. Roland. And number 7 Bakoko. And update, guys. The leading is still Mr. Roland, and the second place is Mr. Ernie, and the third place is Mr. Manny with 1 Bakoko and 1 alimasag only. Time check, it's 8:30 already. You have 30 minutes more, guys, to finish your race. So hurry. Mr. Roland is still preparing his bait. Okay, for his number 8 catch. Still leading. Okay, guys. Oh, it's loose. Sorry, guys. Still no catch for Mr. Early. Still 4 catch. 7-4-1. Okay. Ano na ko to? Big guitar fish, Daddy?
No, small fish.
I think why too much. Daddy is reeling on the fish. Oh, aywa, very big fish. Aywa. Number 7-4-2.
Yeah, but
Number-
this is my last bait, my friend.
Last.
Time already. Finish.
One more.
Why like this?
One more.
What is this?
One more.
What is this? Chicken?
One more.
Brado. Nasa malayo ano nga.
Yes. 7-4-3.
Daddy Ernie.
7-4-3. 7 is for Roland, 3 for Daddy Manny, and he got the last catch fish again. She is so lucky. She is so lucky. She get the first and the last catch.
Brad, kahit anong gawin, talagang ako pa rin champion sa last eh. Oh.
So now the winner in the first and last catch of fish is Daddy Manny, but the most catch fish is Roland, and the second place is Daddy Ernie.
No, we are not lucky today. Tonight,
Yes.
we will make bawi some other time.
Yeah, they are keeping their baits now. They are packing up their things. Okay, guys.
Na-declare na bang winner?
Yeah, and the winner is Mr. Roland for the most catch fish, and Mr. Martin for the first and the last bite catch fish is the winner, and the second place is Mr. Daddy Ernie for his 4 catch fish. So we'll see you again tomorrow, guys, and this is our adventure here in Sapanaya Ocean for the catching fish. Thank you, and see you again tomorrow, guys. Thank you.
Daddy Roland is the winner for the most catch fish. Congratulations, Daddy Roland.
Ito yung bagong rad.
Yeah, nabinyagan yung bago niyang rod. Nakahuli siya ng pinakamarami sa lahat.
Sabi mo kay Daddy Manny sa first and last catch.
At ang first and last catch nating winner, si Daddy Manny. Sinigurado niya talaga na siya yung makakahuli at siya yung panghuli. Okay? That's the strategy. Just wait for the last. Real. Congratulations, Daddy Manny.
Shukran. Thank you.
for packing the 2
So
awards.
it will be another day tomorrow, and
Yeah.
let's do it again.
We're having fun, actually. Alright. We're just enjoying the weather in Saudi Arabia while still cold. Not too cold. Not that much hot. But my nose is bleeding, you know, in English. Because of Bading started the English speaking color here. Okay. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel. Hit the notification and like button. Good night.
Beep, beep.